Hello everyone, welcome back to Success Infotech, where we simplify tech for you. In this video, I'll show you how to use your smartphone to lock your PC screen whilst you are away or you are not seated behind the PC. I'll show you the step-by-step approach to do that. But before we dive in, if you are new to my channel, kindly support the channel by smashing on the subscribe button and clicking on the bell notification icon for videos like this. I'll really appreciate that. Thank you. So to use the automatic lock functionality in Windows 11 or Windows 10 PC or a laptop machine, you first have to make sure your PC has a Bluetooth functionality. Okay, so let me quickly show you mine on my laptop. So this is my Bluetooth. Some of the PCs have the Bluetooth functionality, but because of the device drivers not installed, you wouldn't be able to see it. But you first have to check the specification of your PC and know whether it has the Bluetooth functionality or not. So now let's go straight to enabling the automatic lock feature in Windows 11. That is what I'm using currently. Okay, you can try the same thing on your Windows 10 PC. So I'll click on Start, then I'll click on Settings. So at the left pane, I'll scroll down a bit and click on Accounts. Then at the right pane, I'll scroll down and click on Sign In Options. So I'll scroll down again and click on Dynamic Lock. Okay, so beneath you see automatically lock your device when you are away. So I'll click on the down arrow. So now I'll check the box for allow Windows to automatically lock your device when you are away. So it's looking for your paired phone. So let me quickly turn on my Bluetooth on my phone and then we proceed. So I've turned on my Bluetooth on the phone. Okay, so immediately it has identified the Infinix S5 Lite. Okay, so this is the end of the video. So you can try it at your end and see if it works or not. When you move away from the PC, it automatically lock the screen for you. So supposing you are working on something and you have to attend to an emergency and you forgot to lock your screen and you have your smartphone with you, the moment you move away from the screen gets locked. So you can try it on your Windows 11 or Windows 10 and leave the comment at the comment section below. Thank you for watching. I really appreciate it.